Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how to connect your camera phone on your scope. I have a .177 CO2 air rifle with a 3 to 9 by 40 scope. I have a smaller one too, and I have of course the CO2 tank. I have the suppressor, or what they call silencer, I think, and I have the stock, which you could extend, make it shorter or longer depending on how comfortable you are. And I just made this one. It's just a container for my pellet bullets, whatever you call it. And then basically you need your I have an old Samsung Galaxy, which I don't use anymore, S4. It's got a hard case. I also have a piece of metal here. They use this for when they build a house. They use it for roof, or they use it for flushing. So basically I just cut small pieces like this, and this one's actually done and drilled hole. I made two of them, and this one actually is a ring from a doorknob. I had to change my doorknob last week, and I found this ring. It got holes already, and I have a PVC pipe which measures 1.5, I believe, and the other end is smaller and the other end is wider. I think they use the other end for when you connect or extend your PVCs. Again, it cost me nothing. If you don't have these materials, you're probably gonna end up buying them from the store, but they are really cheap compared to buying those camera on the internet. So basically, materials you need, I have the metal cutter, pliers, and of course the um, screws. And I drilled holes already, and this one goes right to the camera. Make sure you center the camera right there, and this one goes right here. Like I said, I drilled holes already. Okay, and this one goes like this, and those piece of metals, you just insert them both sides. Make sure the hard case, the metal ring, they're all attached to each other, and same thing to the other side. So once this one is done, it's basically going to be like this. Okay, so I'm gonna screw them, and then once I'm done with them, I'll attach it to my scope. And this is my scope. I put some duct tapes here because the PVC, it's a little bigger than the scope. It won't fit, but putting a duct tape or some electric tape should fix the problem. So I'm gonna put them together and show them to you. So this is basically how it looks like when I put everything together, and that's the back, or the front, I guess. And then the PVC, you just put it right here, and then these two braces here. Remember the small pieces of metal that I cut? They go both sides. So all you have to do is just put duct tape or some kind of electric tape make sure they're black, that way they will match your rifle. And that's it.